To replace the LCD panel or middle frame, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, the fan assembly, and the heatsink. Remove the webcam plastic cover and the cable pocket and the optical drive. Separate the base pan assembly from the middle frame and panel assembly. Remove the middle frame from the panel by lifting up the top edge of the middle frame, sliding the frame down slightly, and pulling it away from the panel. If replacing the LCD panel, remove the tape covering the LVDS connector and disconnect the LVDS cable from the panel. Reserve the LVDS cable. To install a new LCD panel kit, attach the included new backlight cable to the LCD panel. Connect the reserved LVDS cable to the panel and tape it down. To replace the middle frame to the panel assembly, align the top edge of the speaker grill over the bottom of the front panel. Slide the middle frame up and place it down until it is correctly seated on the panel.